Hi there, and hello. Hi, boys and girls, and this is one of my late night. Still, Uncle Alan has a little frog in his throat. For your first time viewers, hi, I'm Dive Bullfrog 79. Welcome, boys and girls, to my channel. Tonight is a video for homemade pancake syrup for Miss Sincere, a prepper and a YouTuber. She bought Augustine Farms canned instant maple syrup. Oh, that's a gimmick and a hack. All right, you can make your own stuff at home, fairly easy. Okay, you need either a half a cup of white sugar or a half a cup of brown sugar. If you make it for 10 or more people, then you combine the two. But half a cup of one of the sugars. That make enough for 4 people roughly. You need about a fourth to 1/2 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of vanilla or 1 tablespoon of maple flavoring, 2 tablespoons of butter. First, you melt the butter in a pan on medium to low heat on coals from a fire. Okay, you don't want to burn the butter; you want to melt it. If using white sugar only, you want to brown some of the sugar inside the butter, so you get that nice brown caramelized look. Okay, and then you add your dry items, which is either a cup of the mix of white sugar or brown sugar, or a half cup of either one. Half cup of brown sugar, you mix it in until it becomes moist and sticks. Add your 2 tablespoons. Let's see, I can't see it. I wrote it someplace. This is why Uncle Alan has a script and notes. Too many things. A tablespoon of corn syrup for texture. You know why some syrups from those canned, from like Augustine's and other survival places, are kind of runny because they don't have a thickener agent like corn syrup. So you need about a tablespoon of that. Okay, and then you want mix and the vanilla or maple flavoring. If you add 1 tablespoon of the maple flavoring to Augustina's Farms, uh, what they call it, instant pancake syrup, will taste better. But mine is homemade, easy to use, and you can buy most of the stuff at the store. See if people realize that. That's another video. I got to go do a later one for that one. Okay, you slowly pour into the water into the pan, and you stir until the sugars are dissolved. Stop pouring once all the sugar are dissolved. Okay, and the mixture is boiling. Got to keep stirring it. Should look like tea color. Keep stirring, and then you get it to boil. It takes anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes inside a gas range, about 5 minutes if you're on a coals of a campfire. And there you have it, hot homemade syrup, ready to later on to pancakes. If you do the half cup method, that's for 4 pancakes. If you do a whole cup of white or whole cup of brown sugar together, that half cup white sugar, half cup of brown sugar together, that makes about 10 serving sizes. And it costs about, altogether, all this together, cost about $1.89. So it doesn't cost that much. And it's a lot healthier and easier to make. So why buy the canned stuff? Make it yourself at home. And a lot of this stuff, this homemade syrup, you go blend it into a plastic bag and put it into a container. I'll show you that in another video. And you pack it away. That's how easy it is. Total cost with the container, I think under $5. Okay, well, catch you later, boys and girls. You have a nice night.